Happy freaking Monday. This is an older iPod. I'm going to show you how to get into diagnostic / hidden menu. The back is obviously off of this one. I've been working on it. A lot of people don't talk when they do this. I thought I'd talk. I move my lips. I'll put it in the description when I remember. What you do is you hold down menu and center until the screen goes blank. And then you hold down menu and your left key once the Apple screen comes up. And what should happen, which didn't just now, try it again, it's a bitch and a half to do. This screen should come up. It's a little green screen. It might be blue, might be black. And what you do is you use the, I don't know if you use the, alright, you use the right key to go down, the left key to go up. And then on each of these, you can see there's different details on your pod. Which is pretty badass if you ask me. So that is how you enter diagnostic mode. It might take once or twice. Again, it's center and menu. Wait a couple seconds. Right before you see the apple, or when you see the apple, switch your fingers to the center and the left key, and then it should enter into the mode. To get out of the mode, I don't really know. You just hold down. What you do is you try to get into a mode that doesn't explain things, and you hold down menu and center and see if it exits. It will exit, or you can, there, it did at that time, or you can hook it up directly to the computer. That worked too, and then your Apple screen comes back up. Any questions? Subscribe, rate, comment. For 4G, it's I think it's menu and play, so be careful in there. There's settings like sleep and everything. Thank you for watching my video.